My name is Fatima Khan. I am 34 years old. I am pharmacist. I graduated in 2017 bo'lishdi. 27 2000 nechida tugadim? 2020 2020da tugadim. 2020. I have got a big family. There are 4 people in my family: my mom, my brother, and my twin Zuhra Khan. My brother got married and he has got daughter. He's a taxi driver. My twin Zuhra is a teacher, but she is not working right now because she has got son who is 4 years old. My mom is a doctor. When I was child, I wanted to be doctor like my mom, but I couldn't apply to medical university. Even I'm not a doctor. I'm not
davom eting.
I'm not doctor. I am pharmacist. Pharmacist is similar with doctors. I got married in 2019, but there was some reasons I divorced with my husband. In 2024, I wanted to change my life. That's why I decided to move abroad. Now I am living in Dubai. I have been working for 2 years in Dubai duty free. I like my job. Therefore, I'm not going to work in this job because I have a plan for my future. I'm going to continue my study in Germany. I am preparing to take IELTS test. My hobby is learning different languages. I don't like going shop going I don't like go to the shopping as other women. When I was young, my father taught us to love animals. I like a dog because dogs are very kind pets. I like listening postcards in English. My favorite speaker is Jim Rohn. He's very good motivator. When I listen to him, I can take energy for my plans.
Okay. Молодец. Vitamina для ума degan kitobini o'qiganmiz. Vitamina для ума degan kitobini o'qiganmisiz, Jim Rohnni?
Yo'q. Aql vitaminlarini o'qiganman, eslolmayman. O'qiganman aql vitaminlarini. Bo'ldi, eslolmadim.
Ancha eski kitob.
Student emas edim aql vitaminlarini o'qiganimda.
Okay dedi. So, my name is Fatima Khan. Xoni o'zi bizda o'zbekda x bilan yoziladi. Englishda kx bilan berasiz. Fatima Khan Zuhraxonni. Spelling e'tibor bering. Years old, farmadan keyin C bo'ladi.
Pharmacist.
C bilan yozasiz. E'tibor bering bunga. 27-yil qatdan kelib qolganimda kalkulyatorga qo'yib ham chaqib ko'rdim, choti chiqmadi. I've got a big family. There are four people in my family. Okay. I have a big family. There are 4 people. I have a big family. There are 4 people. Mashta in my family kelinmas. In my family no uchraydi. There are 4 people ni. Chunki bizda kontekstdan ma'lum bo'ldi, family to'g'risida gap ketayotganlik. My mom, my brother and my twin Zuhraxon. Zuhraxonni xuddi shunaqa. My brother got married and he has got daughter. My brother got married. Tarjimasi qanaqa?
Ukam uylangan.
Ukam uylangan bo'lyapti. Qaysidir yili uylangan bo'lyapti. U uylangan bo'lyapti rostmana. U hozirgi turmush to'g'risida gap ketmayapti. Mana pastga tashlab yuborib o'tdi. He got married bo'ladigan bo'lsa, ketidan men yilini beraman. In bilan beraman, ha. Agar yili kerak bo'lmayotgan bo'lsa, men general fact beraman desangiz, unda he is married bo'ladi. He got married, imенно o'sha past taqib berilyaptiki, bu narsa o'tmishdagi fakt bo'lyapti, bu o'sha konkretni past simple ketyapti. Bizning maqsadimiz present simple yozish edi, o'shaning uchun is bergan ma'qulroq bo'ladi. Imенно o'sha taskga qarab fokus qaratish uchun. He is married and he has got a daughter. Daughter bitta. O'shaning artikel bo'ladi. He is a taxi driver. Okay, bu yerdachi mana qani ozgina razbros bo'lyapti-da information. Brad, sizni otingiz bor, Fotimaxonning oti borda, brother oti bo'lmayapti. My brother someone deb beriladi o'zi bu yerda. Endi brother someone bu berilishi uchun sizni brotheringiz ikkita bo'lishi kerak ak minimum. O'shanda siz oydinlik kiritayotgan bo'lasiz, palonchi akam yoki palonchi ukam deb. Agar okangiz yoki ukangiz bitta bo'ladigan bo'lsa, my brother's name deb berasiz, is something. My brother's name is something. He is nechadir years old. Bu yerda yoshini berayotganimiz sababi, bu yerda o'zingizni ham yoshingizni tepada mention qilib ketayotganingiz bo'lyapti. He is a taxi driver. Bu yerga agar men doriri qo'shmoqchi bo'lsam, he lives with his wife and a daughter. Siz to'g'riroq bo'ladi.
Okay.
Endi biz Zuhra haqida hozir gapirmayapmiz, Zuhrani yoshini aytmayapmiz, chunki bu twinidan ma'lum, buni yoshi kelib chiqyapti, shuning uchun Zuhrani skip qilib ketyapmiz bu yerda. O'shanda bizda nima bo'ldi? He is my brother's name is, he is a taxi driver, he lives with his wife and his daughter. My twin Zuhra is a teacher, but she isn't working right now. Right kerak emas bu yerda. She's not working now. Chunki right now degani bu ayni damda, prям hozir degani. Now o'zi in this period of time ma'nosini beradi. She's not working now because she has got a son who is 4 years old. Mashta endi who is 4 years old mashta nima qilib bersa bo'ladi? Qanaqa alternativa bor bunga? Unda 4 yashar farzandi bor, boshqacha qilib beradigan bo'lsa.
She has got 4 years old son.
Молодец. Молодец. Xuddi shunaqa bo'ladi. She has 4 years old son. Bu yerda men has deb bergan bo'lardim, chunki have got, has got biz odatda og'zaki nutqqa nisbatan ishlatamiz-da. O'shaning uchun yozayotganingizda has got emasda, prosta have deb bersangiz ma'qulroq.
She have got deymanmi?
Yo'q, bu yerda hozir have got, has got umumiy qilib aytaman. Uchinchi shaxsga nisbatan has bo'ladi. Got kerak emas. Gotda biz og'zaki nutqqa qo'shamiz-da, she has bo'lsa bo'ladi.
Okay, she has a 4 years old. Okay.
She has 4 years old son. My mom is a doctor. When I was a child, I wanted to be a tegdi darsga qolib ketgan. Doctor, mashta like my mom emasda, uniga nima bersa bo'ladi? Ga o'xshab deb. Yo'q, ga o'xshab, uzr, ga o'xshab emas ekan, buni o'zi ga o'xshab ekan. Men ham doktor bo'lmoqchi bo'lganman deydigan bo'lsak.
I want to be a doctor too as my mom.
Yo'q, as well deb bersangiz bo'ldi. Tus kerak emas.
As well shu bilan birga emasmi? Shu bilan birga men ham doktor bo'lganman qolmaydi. Yana bir ma'no so'rayapman.
Shu bilan birga deb bitta actiondek qilib aytyapsiz, to'g'rimi? Misol uchun bitta action bo'lsa, shunaqa qilib aytyapsiz, to'g'rimi?
Nima bo'ladi unda? As well as I want to
hech narsa kerak emas. Hech narsa kerak emas.
I want to be a doctor.
I wanted to be a doctor as well. Men ham doktor bo'lmoqchi bo'lganman.
Okay. As okay. I got it. I want to be a doctor as well. Chiroyliroq chiqdi. I wanted to be a doctor as well.
Thanks, doctor, when I want as well. But I couldn't apply to medical university. Молодец. Apply zo'rishlatibsiz. Even I am not a doctor now. I am a pharmacist. Yo'q, but even kerak emas. Endi even
yaxshi doktor bo'lmasam ham farmatsevtman.
Logikangizni tushundim. Yo'q, bu yerda lekin yeyotgani yo'q. Even though deb bersangiz bo'ladi bu yerda. Bu yerda o'sha хотя degani, хотя men doktor bo'lmasam ham even though I'm not a doctor, I'm a pharmacist desangiz bo'ladi. Bu yerda ham C bilan yozasiz. Endi bu yerda hozir baribir bo'lmayapti. Doktor bo'lmasam ham farmatsevtman. Then what? Nima bo'pti?
doktor bo'lmasam ham farmatsevtmanmi, boshqa qanaqasi bormi?
Sizni yo'q, bu yerda hozir sizni logika tushunmayman. Bu yerda hozir siz berayotgan messages именно men bari meditsinskiy sferada eman degan gapni bermoqchisiz. Lekin bu yerda even though ishlatilish boshqacha-da. Even though biz ishlatamiz. Even though men doktor bo'lmasam ham meni ancha-muncha meditsinskiy narsaga aqlim yetadi deydigan bo'lsangiz, unda men urg'u qaratib ketganim yaxshi. Unda urg'u qaratib ketganingiz yaxshi. Doktor emasligingizga.
Demak, even though-ni noto'g'ri ishlatyapman.
Even though hozir ozgina yemayapti bu tani farmatsevtligingizni bundoq bir yoritib berayotgani yo'q deb bu narsa. Nima desak bo'lar ekan bu yerda hozir? Medical University kirolmaganman. But still I could become a pharmacist bo'ladi.
But still.
Medical Universityga kira olmadim, lekin shunda ham hozir farmatsevt bo'la oldim degan ma'noni beradi.
Could become a pharmacist. Okay.
Is similar with doctors. Yeah, bu уже ekstra bo'lib ketadi. Farmani o'chirayim. Similar with doctors o'chirayim bu gapni butunlay. Tax. Ketidan yana job kelyapti. I got married in, but there was some reasons I divorced with my husband. Pops.
There were bo'ladi, chunki reasons ko'pligi yozibsiz.
There were bo'ladi, to'g'ri. Bu yerda hozir tegi gapimni qo'shtirib o'rmoqchiman. I got married, but bu yerda-chi bunaqa narsa, mana siz reason aytyapsiz-ku. Endi bu yerda hozir problema ozgina o'zbekchada o'ylab qo'yibsiz bu yerda. O'zbekchada ozgina o'ylab qo'yibsiz. Ana ba'zi bir sabablar bo'lib qoldiki, biza ajrashadigan bo'lib qoldi emas-da bu. Bu ba'zi bir sabablar bo'lib qoldi. Erim bilan ajrashdim.
Siz o'zbek bo'lganingiz uchun tushunyapsiz. Agar buni ingliz ko'rsa
shunaqa. O'zbek bo'lganim uchunmi? Men bunaqa deylu, meni agar o'sha ba'zi bir sabablar ajrashishga to'g'ri kelib qoldi deydigan gap bo'ladigan bo'lsa, I got married in, but for some reasons we, but then I must say, we had to bu have to o'tgan zamoni, have to bizada должен degan, ya'ni modal verb bo'ladi. Nimadir qilishingiz kerak bo'lib qoldi bo'lyapti bu. We had to qo'yadi. Divorce had to dan keyin verb o'zini formasida keladi.
Okay.
Had to divorce with my husband. In 2024 I wanted change. Mana mana shu xato bor.
To change bo'ladimi?
To change bo'ladi. Nima to change bo'lyapti?
Chunki want to talab qiladi o'zidan keyin ikkita fe'l kelyapti.
Молодец. Change my life. That's why I decided to move abroad. Vashcha zo'r gap. Vapshe dahshat gap bo'pti mana shu. Juda zo'r berilgan. Reasoningi bor, nimani hisobiga qilinayotgani. Mana anaqa writingga mana shu fishkasida, ya'ni har bitta yozayotgan gapingizni reason bilan keltiradigan bo'lsangiz yaxshi. Thanks. Now I'm living in Dubai. I've been working for 2 years. Bittacha to'xtaymi, shoshib qolmayman-da. Mana I've been working 2 years for 2 years dan oldin siz duty free ishlatishingiz oldin mention qilib keting. Ya'ni oldin bitta presentni berasiz, bitta faktni aytasiz-da, keyin faktga qo'shimcha qilib ketasiz.
For example, I'm living in Dubai. At the airport. In pharmacy.
Okay. Mana mana shu gapingizni tugating. Mana shu gapingizni tugating-da. Ikkitadan bizda уже qo'shimcha bo'lyapti. I've been working there for 2 years. For 2 years. Mana bu gapingizni lekin tushuna olmadim. I like my job, therefore I'm not going to work in this job because I have a plan.
Men ham o'zim ham anaqa qildim. Men unday demoqchi edim. Men ishimni yaxshi ko'raman, lekin bu ishimni davom ettirmoqchi emasman demoqchi edim.
Yo, therefore
Lekin
unaqa emas u.
ishlamoqchi emasman deb qo'yibman.
Therefore for this reason.
I'm not going to continue deyishim kerak edimi?
Gap unda emas, bu yerda therefore noto'g'ri ishlatilgan.
Therefore lekin degani emasmi?
Yo, therefore shuning uchun degani.
Ha, unda therefore noto'g'ri ishlatibman.
Bu yerda men hozir o'yladim, I don't like.
To'g'riga boshqa yana ishlatgim kelmadi-da. Chunki mana shu qatoridagizda 6 ta bat bo'lib ketdi. Shuning uchun therefore deb o'ylabman.
Bu fikrlash yaxshi. Ana bitta so'zni qaytarmaslikka harakat qilish yaxshi-yu. so'zni bilish kerak-da, birodar. So'zni bilish kerak. Thanks, I like my job. Therefore. Bat ishlatmasangiz bu yerda however bering.
However,
I like my job.
Chiroyli so'z bo'ldi, however.
Yo, bu yerdachi however ham olib tashlaylik deb, anaqa qilaylik. Even bilan beringlar mana shu gapni.
Nimaga even?
O'shanda evenni gapni boshida bersangiz qanaqa qilsangiz bo'ladi? O'ylab ko'ring.
Even I like men ishimni yaxshi ko'rsam ham, men ishimni almashtirmoqchiman. Evenni boshiga qo'ying. Even I like my job bo'ladi.
Even though I like my job. Even though I like my job. I'm not
going to continue.
Yo, bu yerda kerak emas. Mana.
I'm not going to work in this job.
I'm not, unisi ham kerak emas. I'm not going to work here forever.
Here forever. Okay, here forever.
Here forever.
Okay.
I have a plan for my future. Sal boshqacharoq qilib beramiz because
kelajak uchun rejalarim bo'lmaydi. Soxta bo'lib qoldimi yani? Men o'zbekchadan tarjima qilib qolaman.
Yo, bu yaxshi, bu to'g'ri yozilgan. Bu yerda problema emas, qarang, boshqa gap keluvdi deb men siz gapingizni o'qib o'zim xayrim esimdan chiqib qoldi. Nima dedi? Even though I like my job, I'm not going to work here forever because I have some plans for future.
I have some plans for future. My kerak emas,
For my future. Yeah, jona clarification shart emas bitta. I'm going to continue my study in Germany. I'm going to continue my study in Germany. Okay. Qolaveradi unda. I'm going to continue my study in Germany. I'm preparing to take IELTS test.
IELTS test emas, IELTS skormi? IELTS balo olishga.
IELTS o'zi test emas, bu endi exam bo'ladi faqat.
Exam, okay.
IELTS exam. My hobby is learning new language. I don't like going shopping. Mashtachi siz boya o'zgartirish kiritdingiz, bu to'g'ri yozilgan. Boya o'zgartirish kiritdingiz mana shu gapga. Hozirgi o'qiyotganingizda. Bu yerda berishingiz kerak bo'lgan narsa I don't like shopping bo'ladi. Просто going emasda. I don't like shopping. I don't like shopping. As other woman. Вообще cho'tka gap emas. As other woman. Faqat woman e bilan yozilgan, i bilan yozasiz buni. Birlik deb qo'ying. When I was young, my father teached degan so'z yo'q, taught bo'ladi. Past teach o'tgan zamon.
Yomon xato qilibman-ku.
Taught us to love animals.
My god.
Keyin mana bu gapni to'g'rilang. I like a dog because dogs are very kind pet.
Pets to'g'riladimi? Pets bo'ladi.
Birinchi gap ham noto'g'ri. I like a dog. Qaysi kuchukni yaxshi ko'rasiz? Любой bitta kuchukni yaxshi ko'rasizmi? Umumiy kuchuklarni yaxshi ko'rasizmi?
Umumiy kuchuklarni bo'lgancha qo'ydim menimcha. Chunki sizga aniq z demayapman-ku bitta. Del demayapman.
Qani endi o'qinchi hozir nima bo'ldi shu o'zgartirish kiritganingiz?
I like a dog because dogs are
yana edo ko'pot. I like dogs. Просто ko'plik deb berasiz.
I like dogs bo'ladi. Ha, kuchuklarni yaxshi ko'raman. Ha,
Kuchuklarni
bo'ldi,
yaxshi
bo'ldi.
ko'raman. Because dogs demanda, bu yerda yana qaytarmasdan they deb bering. Because they are very kind. Oxiri nima bo'lyapti?
Pets bo'ladi.
Pets bo'lyapti. Молодец. I like listening podcast in English. Bu yerda xato?
Postcardmi? Podcastmi? Nima bo'ladi?
Spellingidan tashqari grammar xatosi.
I like thanking. I like to listen bo'ladi.
I like listening to bo'ladi.
I like listening to
bo'ladi.
nimaga unaqa?
Listen to music. Muzikani eshitish. Bu yerda qarang, siz mana bunaqa narsa. Listen to music o'zi bizada bitta komplekt o'zi tayyor keladigan narsa. Listen to something. Listen to your voice.
Like thanking ing keladimi? Hozir like listening to'g'rimi? I like listening to'g'rimi?
Mana mana hozir men o'tashingiz qolma. Listendan keyin bizada o'zi to keladi. Listen to something bo'ladi. Endi like dan keyin verb berayotganingizda verbingiz ing bilan keladi. Endi bu ikkita qoida bor. Birinchi bo'layotda siz like yozyapsiz, like dan keyin verb beryapsiz, verbingizga ing qo'shilyapti avtomatiki. Bundan oldingi so'z like bo'lganligi uchun. Endi to dan keyin siz avtomatiki like dan keyin siz avtomatiki to ni qo'yasiz, komplekt bo'lganligi uchun. Like listen dan keyin qarang. O'zini adashtirib oldim siz. Like dan keyin listen ni qo'yasiz. Listen ing no'tdi. I like listening bo'lyapti. Like bo'layotganligi uchun bu ing no'tdi. Listen dan keyin samo собой to keladi. Bu listenni o'zi chekirib ketadigan narsa. Tushuntira oldim? Postcard emas, podcast. Podcast.
Spelling qilib yuboring ustoz.
That's P-O-D.
P-O-T.
Cast. That's for C-A-S-T.
Podcast.
Postcard bu mana bunaqani atklitkalar bor-ku. Hozir shunaqa. In English, pay attention, shoshmang. My favorite ways olga qo'shilib ketgan. Akkuratni yozing buni. Speaker is Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn bo'lib qolganmi?
Nuqta bu, nuqta ustoz Jim Rohn.
He is a very good motivator. When I listen,
his podcast or him?
Listen. To him. I take energy for my plans.
Yoki I can be motivated bo'ladimi? Motivatsiyalanaman degani. Nima bo'ladi?
Motivated siz bo'ladi. Bu yerda men energized deb bergan bo'lardim.
Energized.
Can demanda I become energized deysizmi? Energized ham. Wow, zo'ri bor. I get inspired ni.
Wow.
I get
inspired.
Chunki motivator bo'lgandan keyin motivatordan inspiration olasiz-da. Shu loyiha bo'ladi.
Zo'r gap bo'ldi. I get inspired zo'r gap bo'ldi.
Anaqalarni yozdingiz, cho'tki qilib qoidalaringizni, xatolaringizni to'g'rilab ketdingiz.
Hammasi.
Okay, o'zingiz uchun bo'lsa bo'ldi biladir. Thanks, okay dedin. Молодец.